Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 160. I know there has been a great deal said as well as written about the interest attaching to the study of phrase and fable, but I know there has not been sufficient said in view of the importance of the matter, and I know there will be a great deal more, both said and written, before the subject is exhausted. Whenever there is a subject of interest to the general reader and a desire expressed for information upon it, there will be found someone ready and willing to obtain the necessary knowledge and impart it to others. As we have seen, too, the work is from time to time generally executed as well as it can be, and the results made known in the very shortest time possible. This is a great convenience to most of us as we have no time to devote to research in these subjects. Full stop.